my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. The Marble Run.
It is a lovely sunny day. Rebecca and Richard Rabbit have come to play with Peppa and George.
Mummy, can we play Happy Mrs. Chicken on the computer, please?
Sorry, Peppa. I need to do my work today.
Oh.
Why don't you go and play in your room instead?
But we don't know what games to play.
Oh, there's lots of games you can play. You could have a tea party or do a jigsaw puzzle.
We've already played with those things, Mummy.
What about your marble run? You haven't played with that for ages.
Marble Run!
Peppa and George love their marble run.
What does it do? You pick a marble and you put it in here. And it goes timble-tumble all the way down to the bottom. Ooh. I'll show you. Ready, steady, go! Again! Bye-bye, Mummy. You can go and do your work now.
Oh, thank you, Peppa. Have fun.
Can I have a go? Yes, Rebecca. You take this marble and you... Ready, steady, go! That was fun. And then you can add some more bits to the marble run. Let's make it the biggest marble run ever. Yay! Let's add this wiggly bit. And a windmill bit. The marble will make it go round and round. Do you want to have a go, George? Ready, steady, go! It's going down the windmill bit. And the wiggly bit. And there. Hooray! Let's add more bits. Yes! Let's make the biggest marble run ever. Wow! That looks good, Rebecca. Now it's Richard's turn. Marble Run!
Richard has lots of marbles.
Ready, steady, go! Look at all the marbles going everywhere.
I thought I heard your marble run, Peppa. Can I join in?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, goody. Let's make it bigger.
Daddy Pig loves building the marble run.
Ah, there are no more bits of marble run left in the box.
Oh.
Never mind. We can use other things, like this jigsaw and this doll's house.
We want it even bigger, Daddy.
I'll go and see if there's anything in the office we could use. Aha!
Look, Daddy. We've added some more bits and bobs.
Very good. And I've found these tubes to make a tunnel.
Wow! The marble will go all around the room. This is the biggest marble run ever. Let's try it out.
Ooh, can I go first?
OK, Daddy. You have to put the marble in there.
Ready, steady, go!
The marble is going all around the room.
Ooh! It's going all around the world. There it goes. Dinosaur! Where's it going now?
The marble has rolled out of the bedroom, down the stairs, through the hallway, and into the front room.
The whole house is a marble run. It's bouncing everywhere.
Ah, Goldie the fish! Phew! Got you!
Hooray!
What was all that noise?
It was the noise of the biggest marble run ever. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. In the future.
Peppa is at Susie Sheep's house this evening. Mummy Sheep and Mummy Pig are going out.
Don't worry, Mummy. We can look after the house while you're away.
That's very kind of you, Susie, but we have a special babysitter coming. That'll be her now. Hello, everyone.
Hello. It's my cousin, Charlotte.
Charlotte Sheep is the babysitter.
Hello, Charlotte. Thanks for coming.
We won't be out late.
You can watch TV, and I've made you some pizza.
Oh, thank you. You two be good.
We will.
Bye.
Bye-bye. How old are you, Charlotte?
I'm 17.
17? That's very grown up. You can do anything you like when you're grown up.
That's right. You can drive a car and even stay up late.
Wow!
In the future, when you're grown up, you'll be able to do that too.
Ooh!
But grown-ups also have to go to work, you know.
That sounds fun. Can we stay up late with you, Charlotte?
Sorry, it's your bedtime now.
Oh.
Night-night. Sleep well.
Night-night. Susie! Yes? Are you awake? Yes. I wish I was grown up. Me too. When we're grown up, we will be downstairs watching TV and eating pizza. Yes. And babysitting. And going to the cinema. And staying up all night. In the future, we will have a yellow car. No, blue. Yellow and blue. I'll drive. So will I. Daddy Dog will be a spaceman. Yes.
I'm off to space.
And George will be a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Grrr.
And Freddy Fox will be a policeman.
Hello, hello, hello. What's all this here then?
This is our grown-up car.
Can you beep your horn for me, please? Very good. Off you go then.
Bye! What will your job be? I will be a nurse. But in my lunch break, I will fly a plane.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are now flying all around the world.
What will your job be, Peppa? My job will be doing important work on my computer. We will live in a big house with fountains. And a swing. And I will marry Pedro. Or Danny. And I'll do that too. And we will live with all our friends.
Hello.
And all our children will be there. But who will look after all these children? We will. Bedtime, everybody. Time for your tea. No football in the house. Phew. Phew.
Mummy Pig and Mummy Sheep have arrived back home.
Hello.
Has everything been okay?
Yes, everything's been fine.
Hello? Are you two still awake?
Yes, Mummy. We've been thinking about the future. It's very tiring being grown up.
Yes, it is.
We need to get some rest.
Yes, you do.
Good night, little ones.
Good night, grown-ups.
Peppa and Susie need a good night's rest to be ready for the future.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Looking for things.
Peppa and her family are in the kitchen. Mummy Pig is making an apple pie.
Is the apple pie ready yet, Mummy?
No, Peppa. It has to cook in the oven.
Well, it looks like we'll just have to wait.
Yes.
What are you all doing?
We're waiting for the apple pie.
Well, it's going to take time to cook. Why don't you all wait somewhere else?
Oh, okay.
What do we do now?
Well, I was going to do my crossword puzzle, but I can't find anything to write with.
We'll find you something, Daddy. Come on, George. George, we need to find something for Daddy to write with.
George has found Mr. Dinosaur.
You can't write with Mr. Dinosaur.
George has found a toy train.
And you can't write with the train. Oh. Look, a crayon. Daddy can write with this. Come on, George. Daddy, we found something to write with.
Oh, a crayon. Just what I needed. Thank you, Peppa and George. Ah!
Can we look for something else?
OK, let's play a looking game. Find something that is the shape of a square.
A square?
Yes, there must be something square-shaped in this room.
Can you see a square, George?
George has found a clock.
That's a circle. Oh. We need to find a square. That picture is a square.
Ha ha! Very good. You found a square.
Hooray! What should we look for now?
Now you must find something that makes a squeaky noise.
Something that makes a squeaky noise.
Try looking in the bathroom.
Okay. Look for something that makes a squeaky noise, George.
George has found a towel.
Towels don't squeak. Towels are very quiet. Oh. Squeaky, the rubber duck. That makes a squeaky noise. Daddy, look what we found.
Oh, excellent. Now see if you can find something the colour of blue.
Something blue? Okay.
Peppa and George have found a ball.
That's not blue. That's red. Oh.
Peppa and George look in Mummy and Daddy's bedroom.
Aw, there's nothing blue here.
Peppa and George look in the office.
Everything is not blue.
Did you find anything?
There is nothing in the whole house that is blue.
Have you looked in the mirror?
Daddy, the mirror is not blue. Blue! What is it, George? Blue! George is blue.
That's right.
Peppa! George!
Mummy, we've been looking for things.
Oh, I've got something you can look for.
What is it, Mummy?
It's round,
A ball.
round and flat on top, a bit like a hat,
A hat.
and it tastes yummy.
The apple pie.
Yes, the apple pie is ready.
Hooray! I love looking for things.
And I love finding things, especially when it's apple pie.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Jelly!
Mummy Pig is working on her computer.
Mummy, can me and George play on the computer?
Sorry, Peppa. I've got a lot of important work to do today.
Oh,
You two can help me in the kitchen.
OK.
There's a cupboard in here that needs a jolly good tidy.
Ooh.
Could you pass me a pan, please?
Here's a pan, Daddy.
Thank you, Peppa. Thank you, George.
What is this funny thing?
That is a special bowl for making jelly.
Ooh, I like jelly. Can we make some jelly?
Good idea, Peppa. Maybe it can be a surprise for Mummy Pig.
Yes!
First, we need to go to the shops and get everything we need to make jelly. Goodbye, Mummy Pig. We're just popping out.
OK, see you later.
Daddy, Peppa and George have come to the supermarket.
Daddy, what things do we need to make jelly?
Well, we don't need flour, or eggs, or milk, or butter. To make jelly, we just need, jelly.
It doesn't look very wibbly or wobbly.
We add water to make it wibbly-wobbly.
Oh,
What flavour do you want?
cheese!
George likes cheese.
I don't think they have cheese jelly, George.
Oh,
There is strawberry, orange, or lemon flavour.
I like strawberry.
Remember, the jelly is for Mummy Pig. What do you think she would like?
Strawberry.
Hello, Peppa and George.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. Can you guess what we're making?
Let me see. Are you making jelly?
Yes.
I love jelly, all wibbly wobbly and delicious.
We're back home, Mummy Pig.
Very good.
Right, let's make jelly. First, we open the packet and take out the jelly cubes.
Ooh, they are a bit wibbly and wobbly.
We break the jelly cubes into a bowl and add some hot water. A grown-up must do this bit. And stir.
The water has gone strawberry colour.
Yes, the jelly cubes have melted. Now we can pour it into the jelly mould.
Ooh.
The fridge will make it go cold and wobbly.
How long will it take?
Not long. Let's set the timer. When the timer goes ping, the jelly will be ready.
It's taking a long time.
While we wait, let's make Mummy a card to go with the jelly.
Yes.
Peppa and George are drawing a jelly card for Mummy Pig.
Very good. What shall we write inside?
Dear Mummy, all this jelly is for you. Love from Peppa and George. Kiss, kiss. Please can you share your jelly with Peppa and George? And can Daddy have some too?
Lovely.
The timer has gone ping, and the jelly is ready.
We just turn the mould over on the plate and out pops the...
Jelly! It's wibbly and it's wobbly.
Blah, blah, blah. The end.
Mummy Pig has finished her important work.
Mummy's coming!
Surprise!
How wonderful!
We made jelly!
Ooh, my favourite.
And it's all for you. And some for me and George and Daddy.
Wibbly wobbly jelly. Thank you.
Mummy and Daddy Pig, Peppa and George like jelly. Everyone likes jelly.
Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. Wobbly wobbly wah, wibbly wibbly woo. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hop, skip, jump.
Peppa and George are playing in the garden.
Can't catch me. You're never going to get me.
Here is Rebecca Rabbit.
Hello. Hello, Rebecca.
What are you playing?
We are running.
Running is good, but can you hop?
Yes, I can. Hop, hop, hop.
That's not hopping, Peppa. That's jumping.
Oh,
Hopping is when you jump up and down on one leg, like this. Hop, 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 hop.
Rebecca Rabbit is good at hopping.
hop, 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 hop.
Hop, 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 hop.
Come on, George. Hopping is easy. You just jump on one leg. Hop. Hop. That's it. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop.
Hopping is fun. Here is Susie Sheep.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Susie.
What are you playing? We are hopping.
Like this.
Super duper. But can you skip?
Yes, we can skip. Skip, 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 skip.
That's not skipping. That is just funny running.
Oh.
Skipping is when you hop on one leg, then hop on the other leg. Like this.
Susie is good at skipping.
Hop on one leg.
And then the other.
Come on, George.
Oh.
George is good at skipping.
I can skip the highest. I can skip the longest.
I can skip the fastest.
Here is Pedro Pony.
Hello, everyone.
Nay.
Hello, Pedro.
What are you playing?
We were hopping, and now we are skipping.
Have you done jumping? No, but I love jumping. Jump, jump, jump.
Peppa is good at jumping.
Hopping, skipping and jumping. Can you do them all together?
What?
Like this? Oh! That's impossible! I mean a hop, a skip and then a jump. Like this. Hop, skip, jump. Ooh!
My go. Hop, skip, jump.
No, that's wrong.
I can do it. Skip, skip, hop.
No. Jump, jump, jump. No. Let me try. Jump, hop, hop. No.
Hop, skip, jump is not easy.
You have to keep it steady, like this. Hop, skip, jump. Hop, skip, jump. Are you ready? Are you steady? Hop, skip, jump. Hop, skip, jump. Hop, skip, jump. Are you ready? Are you steady? Hop, skip, jump. Ooh.
Peppa has found a muddy puddle.
Hop, splish. Skip, splosh. Jump, splash.
Hop, skip, jump. Splish, splosh, splash.
Hop, skip, jump. Splish, splosh, splash. This is the best.
Peppa loves hop, skip, jump. Everyone loves hop, skip, jump, especially in muddy puddles.
Hop, skip, jump. Hop, skip, jump. Are you ready? Are you steady? Hop, skip, jump. Are you ready? Are you steady? Hop, skip, jump. brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Families.
Peppa and her friends are at playgroup.
Children, today we are going to do drawings of our families.
Ooh.
This is me. I live on my own in a very tall house. Sometimes my two sisters come to visit. And we play music. Greta plays bass. Gretel plays drums. And I play guitar. We rock! That is my family. Now it is your turn.
This is me, Susie Sheep. I live with my mummy. She likes to push me on the swing. Hiya, Mummy! Hiya! And that is my family.
I am Mandy Mouse. Here is me with Mummy and Daddy. We like playing in the park.
To you, Mandy.
To you, Daddy.
Yes, everyone likes playing in the park. Who's next?
Nay.
What a lovely drawing, Pedro.
This is Mummy and Daddy and me, Pedro Pony. I have glasses. Daddy has glasses. Mummy has contact lenses.
Amazing. How about the Panda Twins?
Pandora and Peggy are doing their drawing together.
Daddy is a police officer. And Mummy is a firefighter. Sometimes Daddy drives us in his police car. Daddy, can we do the siren?
Yes, please, can we do the siren?
Now, girls, you know the siren is only for emergencies.
Please!
Oh, all right then.
Super. And Danny Dog?
My daddy is a sea captain. He has adventures on his boat. But now Daddy has come home to me and Mummy. And he won't go back to sea ever, ever, ever again.
What a wonderful adventure. Who's next?
I'm Penny Polar Bear. I live with my mummy and my other mummy. One mummy is a doctor and one mummy cooks spaghetti. I love spaghetti.
Lovely, Penny. And Freddy Fox?
My dad has a van. It has everything in the world inside it, in packs of 5.
Super. And Rebecca?
This is me with Mummy, Daddy, Richard, Rosie and Robbie. We live in a hill. Sometimes my auntie Miss Rabbit visits.
Oh, it's nice to have a break from all my jobs.
Rescue service, please. I'm stuck up a mountain and I need rescuing.
Oh, Dad, not again. OK, I'm on my way.
Miss Rabbit is always busy because she does all the jobs in the world.
Yes, what would we do without Miss Rabbit? Who's next?
I am Peppa Pig. And this is Mummy and Daddy and my little brother George. George thinks his toy dinosaur is scary. It is not scary. But if I don't play, he cries. It's hard work having a little brother.
The parents are here to collect the children.
Hello, mummies and daddies. Come and find yourself on our wall. Oh, is that me?
Yes, Mummy. And that's you, Daddy.
Ho, ho! It looks exactly like me.
Yes, what wonderful drawings of the families.
I love families.
Peppa loves families. Everyone loves families.